Welcome to Keepsales. Now, in today's episode, we will be continuing from where we left off in the previous episode on store performance. Now, in that video, we talked about what store performance is on Keepsales, the two major components on store performance, which are one, that you are able to access or check your sales trends or sales performance and trends. And then secondly, you're able to check your product's performance, which we will be looking at in this particular video. So if you have not seen the first video on our sales performance and trends, okay, so do well to check it out. Okay, so let's continue from where we left off. And in today's video, we will be looking at analyzing product performance on Keep Sales and its relevance to your business. So first and foremost, your store exists because you have things people want. And aside from knowing how much the shop is making, you also want to know how well the items in the shop are doing. So product performance allows you to analyze the products which are selling well up to the products which are not really doing so well. So this knowledge will help you to increase your margins by increasing the products people are most interested in, or increasing advertisement to get the other products which are not really doing so well moving, or finally coming up with strategies to avoid losses on low performing items. Okay, so let's get right to it. Okay, so in a previous video we looked at how to get to store performance over here. Okay, so do check out the previous video out, and then you'll be able to access that information on how to get to store performance. Okay, so by default, anytime, okay, so let me just do this quickly for illustration purposes. By default, like I said, anytime you click on store performance, it takes you to the sales performance and trends. I've already explained that in the previous video, and we've already tackled what sales performance and trends are. So now we want to look at our product's performance. So down here, okay, you see there's fetch sales trends between dates. That is when you have set, the duration that you want to analyze your performance on, and then you select these dates, and then you click on fetch sales trends between these dates. So we'll be looking at products performance. So we want to click on switch to products performance. Okay, so over here in our products performance and trends, okay, what we are able to analyze here are our top 20 highest selling products. Okay, so by default, just like the previous sales performance, by default, anytime you go to your products performance, it gives you your top 20 highest selling products for the year. That's for the entire year, January to December. Okay, so over here it says that the total sales from top 20 products is over 90,000 Ghana cedis, as we can all see, and then the total size of inventory sold is over 640 products. And then these are the discounts we've given on these products so far. Okay, so when you move your mouse, okay, to these products, okay, you realize that you are able to see the quantities that you have sold for that particular product, okay, for the year 2021. Okay, so now if you want to just focus on specific periods, okay, let's say we don't want a year, let's say we want like a month or 2 months or whichever duration that you want, you just select over here. So our start dates, for illustration purposes, we'll click on January, and then our end dates will probably be, let's say, March. Okay, so we want to check for 3 months. Okay, so after you have selected these dates, that's your start date and then your end date, you then click on fetch product trends between dates. Okay, so let's click on that. All right, so over here it says showing top 20 product trends between our first January to 1st of March 2020. So over here it says that the total sales from the top 20 products, that's for that particular period, is over 70,000. Okay, so depending on how much you made, it will tell you what the total sales for the 20 products are. And then the total size of inventory sold is 555, and then we see the amounts given here. Okay, and then over here, okay, we are able to see it's in a bar chart form. Okay, so you see the top products to the least products, and then the quantity that we have sold on the 20th product. Okay, so over here, if you want to so by default you see it's in a bar chart format. In the sales performance, there's the additional chart format, which is the line graph. Okay, so you're able to see it as a line chart or as a line graph. But over here we have the bar, okay, which is here, they are arranged in blocks. And then if you want to look at it as a pie, okay, you click on the pie chart, and then all the items are in the circle, like divided in a circle. So you just click, sorry, you move your mouse, okay, over each item, and then you're able to see the quantity that you sold. Or you can look at it as a donut. Okay, so whichever one that you prefer. Okay, so again, this is very, very important, okay, to know which items are doing so well in your shop. Okay, so that you have to make sure that for the items that are doing very well, they do not run out of stock, and then you always have a constant supply for your customers. And then the ones which are really at the bottom, you do your possible best, come up with strategies, advertising strategies, whichever strategy you can come up with, to try to increase the sales, so that you prevent losses on those products. So yeah, this is how to access your product's performance and trends on Keepsales. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these videos available for you, so do check them all out. See you again in our next video. Have a nice day, and bye bye.